Hi guys, this is Emmy. I thought I would just pop on here just before bed. I'm just getting ready for bed. I had a full-on day, but I thought I would share with you the vision that I had this morning. As I was waking up in the morning, I was sort of half awake, half asleep, but very much like I was awake. And I was lying in bed, still kind of waking up, and I was sort of thinking of heaven and praying, and then all of a sudden in front of me I saw a trumpet, I suppose you can say, but it's one of those trumpets that it was small, so you're able to hold it in one hand. So it had the things that you could push down, and it had a circular structure in the middle, and then at the end of it, it had the mouth where the sound goes out. And so it was small enough to hold in your one hand. And so I had that sort of flash in front of me, and as it flashed in front of me, I heard a shofar trumpet sound, which was, and the sound that it made was poo 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 poo. And so there were three high notes, and then as soon as the sound finished with the poo 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 poo, the vision and the sound went away. I believe that is potentially telling me that the final trumpet will be blowing very soon, and it's encouragement to just keep going and to keep praying, keep having faith, and don't lose hope. I've been praying lots about Yahuwah talking with me and me being in conversation with him, and that it's not just a one-way conversation but a two-way conversation. And I've been praying about lots of things that have been happening just for him to open my eyes and my ears. And so I just thought I would share that. I'm not sure if anyone would have an idea relating to their own spiritual journey that this may be a confirmation for. I'm not entirely sure, but I just thought I would share. And so hope you guys have a good evening. I hope you had a wonderful Feast of Trumpets. We certainly did. It was very restful, and there was a lot of anticipation, and there was so much excitement, and but have a good night, have a good week, and I'll see you next time.